A fully adjustable nylon mattress strap is included with your hardware kit. The strap will be used to hold down the mattress when the bed is closed. There are various ways of attaching the ends of the mattress strap to the bed frame. A quick and economical way of doing this is to use a couple of metal brackets which you can buy at most hardware stores such as Home Depot or Lowe's for less than a couple of dollars. You may also use metal washers. You can use 1 1/4 inch long with screws to attach the metal brackets to the bed frame. The mattress strap includes a quick release clip which makes it very easy to set up and is also fully adjustable. Although we recommend installing the mattress strap 20 inches from the footer end of the bed frame, you may choose to change this measurement plus or minus a few inches. Fold the end of the mattress strap and place it on the pencil mark. Place the metal bracket on the folded end of the mattress strap. Then drive 3 to 4 screws through the holes on the metal bracket to secure it to the bed frame side. Make sure you are driving the screws into the solid wood under the mattress support panels. Repeat the same process to attach the other end of the mattress strap to the bed frame. The bed frame construction is now fully complete. It is now ready for the assembly stage of your DIY Murphy bed. Why not download your free copy of our step-by-step Murphy bed construction guide by clicking on the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like these.